If you have a sleep disorder, you probably have experienced some of these diseases: weight gain, diabetes, cancer, high blood pressure, heart disease, asthma, depression, etc. So by treating your sleep disorder, you will also get rid of these diseases. Watch the video until the end so that we can solve your sleep disorder and insomnia problem once and for all. This video consists of 5 parts. Types of insomnia. Some causes of sleep deprivation include the physical and mental effects of insomnia, sleep hygiene, and home remedies for insomnia. Types of insomnia. There are 2 types of insomnia. Primary insomnia occurs when a person has trouble sleeping, and their sleep disturbance may be due to physical conditions such as injuries and illnesses, or psychological conditions such as stress. These situations is often temporary. Secondary insomnia is usually caused by physical problems, such as an overactive thyroid, depression, side effects of medications, or sleep apnea. Note: sleep disorders are more common in women than men. In general, symptoms of insomnia include difficulty falling asleep despite excessive fatigue, frequent awakenings during the night, restlessness while sleeping, using sleeping pills or alcohol to sleep better, not feeling refreshed upon waking up, drowsiness, mood swings, or fatigue during the day, changes in appetite, blurred vision, and physical ailments, lack of focus or distraction when doing things, poor occupational or academic performance, absenteeism from school or the workplace. Some causes of sleep deprivation include age increasing, having a history of depression, anxiety and worry, stress, sadness, extreme excitement, use of nicotine, caffeine, alcohol, eating before going to bed, discontinuing medication or taking a new medication, exposure to light, sleeping too much during the day, overactive thyroid, respiratory diseases, arthritis or other chronic diseases, digestive diseases, restless leg syndrome. Before continuing the video, please like the video and leave your comments at the end. To see more videos, please subscribe to the channel. The physical and mental effects of insomnia. Insomnia has a lot of negative effects on the body. Some of these effects are wrinkles and premature skin aging, daytime sleepiness, colds and flu, weight gain, diabetes, heart disease, cancer, high blood pressure, asthma attacks, weakening of the immune system, depression and irritability, socializing less, loss of mental performance, reduced ability to communicate, low creativity, sleep hygiene. Do not keep pets in your bedroom. Do not consume caffeine after 4 p.m. Keep the bedroom cool and comfortable for sleeping. Don't look at the clock in the bedroom. Do not use nicotine, especially in the evenings. Do not exercise within 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. Reduce exposure to bright light during night hours. Go to bed only when it is time to sleep. Use the bedroom only for sleep and sex. Leave the room if you cannot fall asleep within 15 to 20 minutes. Read or engage yourself in other activities and only go back to bed when you are sleepy. Take a hot shower. Home remedies for insomnia. Valerian is a prevalent herb for treating sleep disorders. It has a calming effect and relaxes the body muscles. Combine half a teaspoon of grated valerian root and nutmeg and add this mixture to 2 cups of hot water. After 15 minutes, strain the solution until it is smooth and drink it. Note that children and pregnant or lactating women should not use this herb. Yogurt and peppermint contain tryptophan. It is an amino acid that helps produce a sleep and relaxation chemical called serotonin and melatonin. Yogurt increases the production of these chemicals that relax the brain to help you sleep well through the night. Milk, almonds, and sesame seeds. It is a magnesium-rich drink. Magnesium is a muscle relaxant and promotes deeper sleep. Irregularity of circadian sleep rhythms and stressful and unhealthy lifestyles also increase magnesium excretion and lead to magnesium deficiency. Cherry juice has considerable amounts of melatonin. The hormone melatonin helps regulate sleep. Foods that cause sleeplessness: coffee, spicy foods, sugary or high-carb foods, alcohol, fatty foods, high-protein foods. By following these tips, after a short time, you will have quality sleep. If you liked the video, like it and share it with others.